So, in my defense, this sewing machine was on sale. My so-called life is sponsored by How's it going? I'm Godless Sewing, and this is the Godless Sewing channel. So, if I sound a little bit more croaky than usual, it's because I have a cold. But I will not let my cold stop me from showing you this beautiful 1951 Singer sewing machine. I waited almost 5 or 6 months for this machine because originally the seller wanted $900, and even here in Los Angeles, that's a crazy price. So instead of my usual fluff, let's get right to it. So, as you can tell, I am completely stoked that I scored this machine. It's a 1951 EG58 double 14. As far as Singer sewing machines go, this actually came with a motor, and it's also missing the top plate that holds the thread in general. But I'm literally sitting in a room of sewing machine parts, so I can definitely take care of that. When I got this thing home, it was in way better condition than I thought. Over the months, it's just literally just been sitting there at the thrift store. I've walked past it quite a few times. I've actually taken quite a few pictures of it and shared it in my live stream over the past month or two. Last week, it finally went on sale. I missed the sale day, and I'm surprised that no one picked this up. Over the months, the price has been slowly dropping, and then it finally dropped to $100. And all I had to do was wait until that fateful day when the entire store was 50% off, which is pretty common here in Southern California as far as thrift stores go, because that's how they move inventory. So I completely scored with this sewing machine. So recently, Skitscrasher told me, Godless Sewing, go get help. And you know what? I did. When I purchased this sewing machine, I walked right up to the manager and I was like, "Excuse me, sir, can you please help me get this in my car?" You know, as an impatient person, sometimes patience pays off. I waited for months and months for this to go on sale or for somebody to come to their senses, and eventually it joined the fleet. So, like I always say, reinforce your seams, be yourself, and I will definitely see you next time.
Sure to try to hide the fact from us that life was really tough.